Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Odyssey alternator. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. You'll need a few basic tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a serpentine belt tool to make this job smoother. Let's get started with the preparation steps. Now let's get to the alternator. You'll need to locate the serpentine belt tensioner, which is usually a spring-loaded pulley. Use your serpentine belt tool to apply pressure and release the tension. Once the tension is off, carefully slip the belt off the alternator pulley. This step provides crucial access to the alternator itself, making the next steps much easier. With the belt off, it's time to disconnect the alternator. There are typically 1 or 2 electrical connectors and a main battery cable attached. Unplug these carefully. Next, you'll need to remove the mounting bolts that hold the alternator in place. Once all bolts are out, gently work the old alternator free from its bracket and remove it from the engine bay. Now for the new alternator installation. Carefully place the new alternator into position and secure it with the mounting bolts, tightening them properly. Reconnect all the electrical connectors and the main battery cable. Finally, reroute and reinstall the serpentine belt onto all pulleys, ensuring it's seated correctly. Reconnect your negative battery terminal and start the engine to test the new alternator.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.